Cleaning Disaster Lesson 2, the Cross-Contamination Catastrophe. Are you tired of spending your entire weekend scrubbing, only to find your home still doesn't feel truly clean? You're not alone. Most people fall victim to cross-contamination without even knowing it. Here's what's really happening. When you use the same cleaning cloth or tools throughout your home, you're actually spreading bacteria and germs from room to room. That cloth you rinsed after cleaning the bathroom? It's still carrying microscopic contamination to your kitchen counters, spreading invisible dangers throughout your living space. This is why your surfaces feel sticky hours after cleaning, and why that fresh scent disappears so quickly. You're not just failing to clean effectively, you're actively creating the perfect breeding ground for bacteria that will multiply faster than ever. At Made Perfect, our professionally trained cleaners use color-coded microfiber systems, blue cloths for bathrooms, yellow for kitchens, red for high contamination areas. We never cross-contaminate surfaces, which is exactly why our professionally cleaned homes stay cleaner longer and smell genuinely fresh. Plus, with our comprehensive insurance coverage, up to $1.5 million, background-checked professionals, and our quality guarantee system, you get the peace of mind that comes with true professional service. Don't waste another weekend fighting cross-contamination. Let Made Perfect's systematic approach give you the spotless, healthy home you deserve. Ready to experience the difference? Book your clean online today and see why thousands of families trust Made Perfect to keep their homes truly clean.